Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am an associate with Dial Easy. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about direct selling agreement in aspects of law. So in this video, I'm going to give you all a brief overview. So direct selling agreement in law is a legally binding contract between the direct selling company and an independent sales representative or a distributor. It establishes the terms and conditions governing the relationship between the parties involved in direct selling business model. The direct selling agreement or the DSA identifies the direct selling company as the principal party and the independent sales of representatives or distributors as the representatives. It clarifies their roles, responsibilities as well as the obligations. So now talking about the products or services, the agreement specifies the products or services that will be marketed, sold or distributed by the independent sales representatives on behalf of the direct selling company. It may outline any restrictions or guidelines related to the promotion and sale of these products or services. So now talking about the compensation and commission, the agreement outlines the compensation structure and the commission rates for the independent sales representative. It will detail the method of calculating commissions, payment terms and any additional incentives or bonuses based on sale performance. So now talking about the obligations of the representatives, the agreement delineates the responsibilities and obligations of the independent sale representatives. This may include complying with applicable laws and regulations, accurately representing the products or services, maintaining customer relationship and abiding by the policies and procedures set forth by the direct selling company. So in this, the territory and exclusive rights are also mentioned. The agreement may define the territory or geographical area where the independent sales representative is authorized to operate. It may also specify whether the representative has exclusive rights to sell the company products or services within that territory. The agreement may address the use of trademarks, logos and other intellectual property rights of the direct selling company. It may establish guidelines for the representative's use of such branding materials and the protection of the company's intellectual property rights. So now talking about the dispute resolution, the agreement may establish mechanisms for dispute resolution such as mediation or arbitration to address any conflicts that may arise between direct selling company and the independent sales representative. It is important to note that the specific contents and provisions of the direct selling agreement may vary depending upon the jurisdiction, the nature of the products or the services, and the policies of the direct selling company. So I am just going to wind up this video right now, and if you guys have any doubt and queries, you can just ping in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much and have a nice day.